In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to brainstorm using Miro. Whether you're leading a team meeting, working on a solo project, or just looking to capture your thoughts in an organized way, Miro offers a versatile platform to develop and share ideas with its powerful mind mapping tools. Let's dive into the process so you can unlock the full potential of your brainstorming sessions. First, we begin at the digital doorstep of creativity, Miro.com. Go ahead and open your preferred web browser and type the URL. This is your gateway to a world of limitless canvas space where ideas can truly flourish. Once you're on the Miro homepage, direct your attention to the top right corner where you'll see the login button. Click on it. If you're new to this platform, signing up is pretty straightforward, but for returning users, logging in helps you pick up right where you left off. The next step is choosing how you wish to sign in. Miro offers flexibility, so you can sign in using your email or your Google account. For those who prefer the familiar ecosystem of Google services, this could be the quickest route. Once that's done, proceed to click on Continue with Email. This action will smoothly transition you to your Miro dashboard, where all your boards, an assortment of digital whiteboards, await your creative touch. Now, let's jump into the heart of our workflow, your board. Clicking on it will present you with a spacious canvas ready to capture your thoughts and ideas. This space is crucial as it becomes the backdrop for your brainstorming session. To start building your mind map, locate the plus button on the left-hand side of your screen and click on it. You'll see numerous options appear, but for today our focus is on crafting the perfect mind map. In the search bar, type mind map. This feature is a fantastic tool for visualizing ideas, noting connections, and creating a non-linear thought process, which is pivotal in creative problem solving. If you find it especially useful, pin it using the pin icon. This keeps it handy for future projects without needing to search anew each time. With your tool ready, click on Mind Map and you'll be prompted to select a template. This is where Miro truly shines, offering a variety of templates tailored to different needs. Choose one that best fits your current project and add it to your board. Now, it's time to customize your mind map. This is a personalized canvas, so feel free to add fields, change colors, and modify the layout to best represent your ideas. Finally, collaboration is key, especially in team projects. Miro facilitates this by allowing you to invite team members to join in remotely. Simply invite them to the board and watch as ideas flow freely, with everyone contributing their thoughts, and there you have it, a comprehensive guide to brainstorming using Miro, where flexibility and collaboration meet creativity. So go forth and transform your ideas into actionable plans, all within the elegant simplicity of Miro. Happy brainstorming!